The monetary unit assumption states that only transactions that can be measured in monetary terms are recorded in a company's books of accounts. If a transaction cannot be expressed in dollar value, it should not be included in the company's financial books. It is considered useless for financial accounting purposes. The monetary unit is an easy and universally recognized form of communicating financial information. It is an effective basis for recording, reporting, and analyzing financial data, which can help businesses make rational decisions. Why money? Money performs several key functions. These functions make it important for financial communication for businesses. It is a medium of exchange. It serves as a store of value. It is used as a standard of deferred payments. It is a unit of account. Here are two assumptions about this concept. 1. Monetary unit assumption. Assets, revenues, liabilities, and expenses have to be recorded at their dollar values or any other monetary unit. However, this may be quite difficult to do in certain situations. A company's greatest strength could be the skill and talent of its business or engineering team. This is significantly harder to put a monetary value upon, and so will not be considered for inclusion in the books of accounts. This is because the company is allowed to only include those transactions that have a monetary value. 2. Stable dollar value assumption. In addition to the monetary unit assumption, another related concept is also followed by a company when recording in its books of accounts. The stable dollar value assumption states that the dollar is not subject to the loss of purchasing power over time. This is why the entries in a company's book of accounts do not take inflation into account. Both these assumptions are significant as they help form the foundation on which a company's books of accounts are created. Example of monetary unit assumption. Let's suppose ABC Limited bought a plot of land in 1990 at a cost of $50,000. It recorded the newly purchased land with a value of $50,000 in its books. Now, in 2023, ABC Limited bought an adjacent plot of land at a cost of $300,000. It will record both plots of land at an amount of $350,000. There is a significant difference in the purchasing power between 1990 and 2023. But under the monetary unit assumption, it is ignored. Problems with monetary unit assumption. Though the monetary unit assumption makes accounting more manageable, it can sometimes present problems. The monetary unit assumption comes with a few problems when a company records its books of accounts. One problem with the monetary unit assumption is that it disregards the effects of inflation when recording. For example, as stated in the previous example, a plot of land purchased in 1990 at a cost of $50,000 was still recorded at $50,000 even in 2023. There has been a definitive change in the purchasing power of the dollar since 1990. But the monetary unit assumption does not take this into account. Another problem with this assumption is that it can be deceiving or misleading for external users of financial statements. For example, ABC Limited has land worth $350,000. It might not be $350,000 currently, as $50,000 out of $350,000 is from 1990. This is all about the monetary unit assumption. Thanks for watching.